rush.
This time I come talk to you.
Popping, the way you fall like the bump, let low, my body crushing. Oh you, my you got me like pop.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Candy. So in today's video I'm just going to be showing you guys how I installed this kinky straight lace wig onto my head. So if you're interested, make sure to keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video, lovelies. So here I went in with the Taft super glue and I applied it all over my edges, so when I'm applying my wig, my edges doesn't get in the way, and plus we don't want to be losing any edges in 2020. And then I went in with the blow dryer to make sure the glue dries up. As you can see here, I'm touching, to make sure the glue has dried up. Here I went in with the Taft super glue and the got to be spray, and I just mixed the two together. For me, I like to do that because I feel like it gives it a better hold. And then I went ahead and I applied it just in front of my edges, as you can see here. So here I went in with the blow dryer on low heat for about 10 seconds just to make sure that I get the glue tacky before applying my wig. So I went back in again with more of the got to be spray because I wasn't happy with the tackiness of the glue. So here I went in again with the blow dryer. And yes, you can see I'm placing the wig onto my head. What you want to do is get any clip of your choice and just place it on the hair so it doesn't get in the way when you're applying the lace onto the glue. Here you just want to take your time, don't rush it, just take your time, take as much time as you need when placing the lace on the glue. And then you can go ahead and adjust the lace to your liking or wherever you want to place it over the glue. As you can see here, the glue was tacky, so that gives you an idea when to place the wig. So here I'm just taking my time adjusting the wig to my liking. So when you're doing this, just take your time, take as much time as you need, there's no rush. And then here I just went in with the comb and I'm just pressing the lace on the glue and then brushing the hair back. And I did the exact same thing on the other side. Take your time as you go. As you can see, it's starting to look good. So now I'm just going in with the blow dryer on low heat just to secure that wig onto the glue. And I did the exact same thing on the opposite side just to make sure it's secure. So here I just went in with the super lace glue and applied it on the flaps on the side. You don't have to use the super lace glue. You can go ahead and use the got to be glue or the Taft glue, but for me I just prefer using it on the sides because the sides take quite a long time to stick down. Here you can see I'm just going in with the comb and just brushing any hair that got stuck onto the glue. And then I went in with the toothpick and just pressed the lace down onto the glue. Here I just went in with more glue using a toothpick just to apply it where the lace didn't stick prior to when gluing the wig on. And here I'm just pressing the lace down onto that glue using a comb, just pressing it down. So here I went in again with the super lace glue and just applied it to the flap on the other side of the corner, and then I just secured it down. So I went in with a toothpick and then I just pressed down the edges. So disclaimer, the battery died, you guys couldn't see the rest of the video. So here you can see that I'm just sectioning just a little bit of the hair at the front, because that's where I'm going to be applying the Got To Be spray. So what you want to do is just spray the Got To Be spray onto where you section the hair, and do the exact same thing on the other side. Once you're done applying the spray, you just want to go ahead and tie down the front of your lace with any head wrap of your choice. So you just want to leave that head wrap on for about 5 to 10 minutes so that the lace melts into your skin. Once that is done, you go in with the blow dryer. Once 5 or 10 minutes is up, you can then go ahead and take off the head wrap. As you can see, I was quite happy with the result. And then here I'm just brushing the hair back. I then went in with some rubbing alcohol just to remove any excess lace glue that was on my head and on the wig itself. Once I was done with that, I then went in with my flat iron just to make sure that the hair is laying flat before going in to style my baby hair. Guys, if you don't have this flat iron, I would suggest that you get it because it really does work wonders. So I'll leave the link to this flat iron in the description box below if any of you guys are interested in getting it. So I went ahead and sectioned a bit of the hair that I would like to use as my baby hair. And then I went in with a razor comb. If you don't have a razor comb, you can use scissors. I then went in with the styling mousse and applied it to the hair and styled it to my liking. I like using the styling mousse when I'm doing my baby hair because I just feel like it's much better than using the gel, and it just gives it that softer look. I went ahead and did the exact same thing on the other side and just styled my baby hair to my liking. Once I was done styling my baby hair to my liking, I then went in again with my head wrap just to tie it down and keep it in place. I then went in with my flat iron just to straighten out my hair. After 5 minutes was up, I then went and took the head wrap off, and as you can see, I was quite happy with the result. I then went ahead and kept on straightening my hair to my liking. the camera's about to die soon, so I'm just gonna keep going until it dies. So right now I'm just trying to straighten out this hair. As you can see, the hair is straightened and it feels silky. So guys, at this point my camera was about to die. So yeah, this is the final look of this installation. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, or let me know in the comments below if you learned something new from this installation. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.